Every piece of information in a business falls into a category, but none are as closely monitored as regulated data and trade secrets. Regulated data is information protected by law. Think of health records, financial details, or personal identification. These pieces of data face strict rules about how they're collected, stored, and shared. For example, hospitals must guard patient records under HIPAA. Mishandling regulated data can lead to heavy fines and legal action. On the other hand, trade secrets are the engines of innovation and competition. Picture your favorite soft drink's secret formula or unique business processes. These secrets are not protected by law, but by the company's own policies, guarded tightly to maintain a competitive edge. If a trade secret is leaked, it can mean lost opportunities or even collapse for a business. Understanding what data you have and how it's classified is crucial. Proper management protects your organization from costly mistakes and keeps your valuable information safe. In the world of data, knowledge truly is power. Imagine trying to navigate a vast library filled with every kind of information you could think of. To make sense of it all, you need a system, and that's where data types come in. Data types are the foundational categories we use to organize and understand data, defining how it can be stored, processed, and protected. When we talk about intellectual property, data types might include patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Each one holds unique information. For example, a patent reveals technical inventions, while a trademark identifies the symbols or sounds that distinguish a brand. Copyrights protect creative works like books or music, and trade secrets cover confidential business strategies or formulas. Recognizing these distinctions is vital. Using the right data type ensures that inventions, creative expressions, and confidential know-how receive appropriate legal protection. Legal information, as another key area, spans documents such as contracts, court cases, laws, and regulations. Each legal data type carries specific requirements for storage and security. For instance, contracts contain obligations between parties, which must be preserved accurately and may need to be encrypted. Court rulings need to remain unaltered for historical and legal integrity. Laws and regulations often form the backbone of compliance databases, guiding how organizations operate and protect rights. Understanding these data types matters, not only for legal compliance, but also for effective information management. It helps determine who can access sensitive data, how long records must be kept, and what actions should be taken in case of disputes or breaches. Whether you're a legal professional or a student, clarity on data types means you can safeguard intellectual property and legal information with confidence and precision. Imagine trying to make sense of a pile of numbers when every piece is written in a different language. This is where understanding data types becomes crucial. At its core, a data type defines how information is stored, processed, and interpreted, guiding both humans and machines. In finance, data types help organize everything from simple dollar amounts to complex transactions. Numeric types record balances and transaction values. Dates track timelines, ensuring histories are accurate. Text fields store names and account details. Each type ensures data stays reliable and usable. But there's a challenge: making this information readable, not just for people, but also for computer systems. Human-readable formats are clear. Think clean spreadsheets or reports, easy for us to scan and understand. Non-human readable data might look confusing at first. Dense code or encrypted files that require specialized software to decipher. Bridging this gap is vital. When data is well-structured and accessible to both humans and machines, decisions become faster, errors are reduced, and collaboration thrives. For professionals and students alike, mastering these essentials is the first step towards smarter financial management.